We live in extraordinary times. Technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace, transforming our world in ways we never thought possible. At the forefront of this revolution are two powerful forces: artificial intelligence and automation. AI, in its simplest form, refers to the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence. Imagine a computer that can learn from experience, solve problems, and even make decisions. This is the promise of AI. Automation, on the other hand, is the use of technology to perform tasks without human intervention. Think of assembly lines in factories where robots work tirelessly to assemble products. This is the power of automation. Together, AI and automation are poised to reshape our world, revolutionizing industries and transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Artificial intelligence is a broad field often categorized into two main types: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed to perform specific tasks. Think of a chess-playing program that can defeat grandmasters, or a facial recognition system that can identify individuals in a crowd. These are examples of narrow AI, highly specialized systems trained to excel in specific domains. General AI, also known as strong AI or artificial general intelligence, represents the hypothetical ability of a machine to possess human-like intelligence across a wide range of tasks. Imagine a machine that can understand, learn, and reason like a human being, capable of solving complex problems across multiple domains. While still in the realm of science fiction, general AI holds the potential for machines to truly mimic human intelligence. Automation is all around us, often operating behind the scenes, making our lives easier and more efficient. At its core, automation involves using technology to automate tasks that were previously performed by humans. Imagine a simple coffee maker. You set the timer and the machine automatically brews your coffee at the desired time. This is a basic form of automation, automating a repetitive task. Now consider self-driving cars. These vehicles use a combination of sensors, cameras, and sophisticated algorithms to navigate roads and make decisions without human intervention. This is a more complex form of automation, showcasing the potential of technology to automate complex processes. From manufacturing and transportation to healthcare and finance, automation is transforming industries across the board, increasing efficiency, reducing costs, and improving safety. While powerful on their own, AI and automation truly shine when combined, creating intelligent systems that can learn, adapt, and optimize processes without human intervention. Imagine a warehouse where robots equipped with AI-powered vision systems can identify, sort, and move packages with speed and accuracy. These robots can learn from their experiences, optimizing their movements and improving efficiency over time. In the healthcare industry, AI-powered diagnostic tools can analyze medical images, such as X-rays and CT scans, to detect anomalies that might be missed by human eyes. These tools can assist doctors in making faster and more accurate diagnoses, leading to better patient outcomes. The synergy between AI and automation is creating a new era of intelligent systems, transforming industries and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Section 5. Revolutionizing healthcare, AI and automation at the forefront. The healthcare industry is on the cusp of a major transformation, driven by the convergence of AI and automation. These advancements are not just incremental, they are groundbreaking, promising to reshape the entire landscape of medical care. These technologies are poised to revolutionize various aspects of healthcare, from diagnosis and treatment to patient care and drug discovery. The integration of AI into these processes ensures a level of efficiency and accuracy previously unattainable. AI-powered diagnostic tools are assisting doctors in making faster and more accurate diagnoses. This not only speeds up the treatment process but also significantly improves patient outcomes. Imagine a world where AI can analyze medical images such as X-rays and CT scans to detect anomalies that might be missed by the human eye. This capability is already being realized, offering a second layer of scrutiny that enhances diagnostic precision. This is the power of AI in healthcare. It's not just about replacing human expertise but augmenting it to achieve better results. Robotic surgery is another area where AI and automation are making significant strides. These advanced systems are enabling surgeons to perform operations with unprecedented precision. Surgeons can now perform complex procedures with greater precision and less invasiveness, thanks to robotic systems that can translate their movements into precise surgical actions. This leads to quicker recovery times and reduced risk of complications for patients. From personalized medicine to drug discovery, AI and automation are transforming healthcare, paving the way for a future where diseases are diagnosed earlier, treatments are more effective, and patient care is more personalized. The potential for these technologies to improve lives is immense, and we are just beginning to scratch the surface. Section 6. Manufacturing marvels: AI and automation reshaping production. The manufacturing industry has always been at the forefront of automation, but the advent of AI is taking things to a whole new level. Factories are becoming smarter, more efficient, and more productive thanks to AI-powered systems that can learn, adapt, and optimize production processes. Imagine a factory where robots work alongside human workers, collaborating on tasks and learning from each other. These robots can adapt to changing conditions, identify and resolve production bottlenecks, and even perform quality control checks with precision and speed. AI-powered predictive maintenance systems can analyze sensor data from machines to predict potential failures before they occur. This allows manufacturers to schedule maintenance proactively, minimizing downtime and reducing costs. From design and production to supply chain management and quality control, AI and automation are reshaping the manufacturing landscape, making factories smarter, more efficient, and more competitive. Section 7. Retail reinvented AI and automation, enhancing the shopping experience. The retail industry is undergoing a major transformation, driven by the rise of e-commerce and the increasing demands of tech-savvy consumers. This shift is not just about moving online, it's about creating a seamless, integrated shopping experience across all channels. AI and automation are playing a pivotal role in this transformation, enhancing the shopping experience for both online and offline shoppers. These technologies are making shopping more efficient, personalized, and enjoyable. Imagine walking into a store where smart shelves can recognize your shopping habits and recommend products based on your preferences. These shelves can even alert staff when items need restocking, ensuring that popular products are always available. Or imagine a chatbot that can answer your questions about a product, provide personalized recommendations, and even guide you through the checkout process. These virtual assistants are available 24/7, offering support whenever you need it. AI-powered personalization engines are helping retailers tailor their offerings to individual customers, providing a more personalized and engaging shopping experience. This means that every interaction feels unique and relevant to the shopper. These engines analyze customer data such as browsing history, purchase history, and demographic information to recommend products that are most likely to resonate with each shopper. This data-driven approach ensures that customers find what they need quickly and easily. From personalized recommendations to cashierless checkout, AI and automation are transforming the retail landscape, creating a more convenient, personalized, and engaging shopping experience for consumers. The future of shopping is here, and it's smarter than ever. Section 8. Finance transformed AI and automation in the world of numbers. The finance industry is no stranger to technology, but the advent of AI and automation is ushering in a new era of innovation and transformation. From algorithmic trading to fraud detection, AI-powered systems are changing the way financial institutions operate and serve their customers. Imagine a world where AI-powered robo-advisors can provide personalized financial advice to investors of all sizes, analyzing market trends, assessing risk tolerance, and recommending investment strategies tailored to individual goals. AI-powered fraud detection systems are becoming increasingly sophisticated, leveraging machine learning algorithms to analyze millions of transactions in real time, identifying and flagging suspicious activities that might indicate fraudulent behavior. From streamlining operations to improving customer service, AI and automation are transforming the finance industry, making it more efficient, secure, and customer-centric. Section 9. Shaping our future. The promise and challenges of AI and automation. Artificial intelligence and automation are powerful forces shaping our world, promising a future of unprecedented innovation, efficiency, and convenience. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize industries, improve healthcare, and enhance our daily lives in ways we can only begin to imagine. However, these technologies also present challenges, and raise ethical considerations that we must address as a society. The rapid pace of AI development means we must be vigilant in understanding and mitigating potential risks. One of the biggest concerns surrounding AI and automation is the potential impact on jobs. The fear of widespread unemployment due to automation is a significant issue that needs careful consideration and proactive solutions. As machines become more intelligent and capable, there are concerns that they will displace human workers, leading to job losses in various industries. This shift could have profound economic and social implications. Another concern is the potential for bias in AI systems. Ensuring fairness and transparency in AI algorithms is crucial to prevent discrimination and ensure equitable outcomes. AI algorithms are trained on massive datasets, and if these datasets contain biases, the resulting AI systems may perpetuate and even amplify these biases. This could lead to unfair treatment of certain groups and exacerbate existing inequalities. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of AI and automation are vast. From smart cities to autonomous vehicles, these technologies can significantly improve efficiency and quality of life. By embracing these technologies responsibly and addressing the ethical considerations they raise, we can harness their power to create a better future for all. It is up to us to ensure that the promise of AI and automation is realized in a way that benefits everyone.